What's up, Profit Cleaners? Brandon Shane in the house, just stepping out to tell you guys about some amazing new training we're putting out this coming week. It's a live training coming up. How to win more jobs at higher prices and how to convert one-time cleans into recurring customers. Guys, this is the exact same training you've been asking for, because a lot of you have been asking, hey, how do I get more customers? How do I close these deals? How do I compete on value, not price? This is how you do it, guys. This is the exact same training that we're using with our teams day in, day out. We just did it last month. We hit a record month. We added a whole team, like 50, 60 new customers, filled up a whole team in 1 month. In 30 days, it's another $312,000 in annual revenue, recurring revenue to the bottom line. We've never done that before, guys. So this script has been dialed in over the last 7 years. This is the exact same script and training that has been responsible for almost $400,000 a month in recurring revenue. Okay, it's going to teach you guys how to get customers, the exact questions to ask, how to answer the phone, how to say everything the right way to build value, so you're not competing on price. Okay, it's going to help you guys get the best customers. So you're going to be able to charge the highest prices. Woo! A little bit winded going up all those stairs. Whew. You're going to be able to charge higher prices, get better customers, attract the best customers that are going to become recurring customers with this process, guys. Okay, so I want to share this with you guys. I don't know any other cleaning business owner out there doing this level of revenue who's sharing what they're doing on the inside. Okay, so I want to share this with you guys. We get better by teaching this, okay, because we understand our business better, but it's also the greatest level of fulfillment to help others achieve the level of success that we're achieving. Okay, because I know this is going to change your life. It's changed my life. And guys, this is 7 years in the making. We've got professional sales coaches, the best in the world, looking at this, dialing it in with us. And I'm going to give it to you guys. All I ask is that you show up live to the training this Thursday, October 24th. Okay, we're going to show you live with my team, with Ty and my marketing team, with Brandon, my whole team. We're going to show you guys exactly how we do this, the exact words that we use, the exact script and training. And if you guys also need help with getting the leads and other aspects of the sales and marketing, we're going to show you guys that. I'm going to put some bonus content from our course in there. If you guys haven't been able to join the main course that we do, you're going to get a sneak peek of that as well. We're going to add some bonuses. Guys, you can't afford not to do this. Okay, if your goal is to double, triple, 10x your business in 2024, 2025, you need to be on this training. If you're already past the training date, watch the replay. All the training will still be in there. We're going to be adding some role play sessions, some other training to it as well in the future. So stay engaged, show up. 90% of success is showing up, guys. Okay? Success leaves clues. These are the clues that we've found. We're going to leave them behind. So you guys just follow in these footsteps. Model success. You don't need to figure it out on your own. Model what's working into your business. That's the beauty of being an entrepreneur, is you can model success. Take what's working in my business, put it into your business. Tony Robbins says, if you want success, find someone who's got the results you want to achieve. Model what they're doing, copy what they're doing, and you'll achieve the same results. My favorite part of that is he said you'll compress time. You'll save 10 years of your life figuring it out on your own. So don't keep hacking away, guys, trying to figure out how am I going to grow my business. Leads are the lifeblood of your business, and sales, as new customers, is what's going to get you there to that next level. That's what's going to help you hit those goals, is getting more customers. The rest will fall in line. Yes, you need to have the other stuff and the other systems, but this is key, guys. Okay? Double down on knowledge, model success. Jump on this live training this Thursday. I'll see you guys there. Be great. Keep it clean.